it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. So I forgot to record the intro for this video, but this is part 2 of my 2-part Shiriyah series. You can click above or below to watch the first video, and this video is the finale when we put on the Stomp. It starts on Wednesday morning. All right, here's the video. All right, update. School is now over. We got our food. I got from the Humble Toast. You should watch that video if you haven't already. And what do you got? Chinese?
I got Dougie's.
Oh, you got Dougie's food? All right, and now we're gonna eat. This is like a little Shiriyah mukbang right now. Hello. All right, let's start eating.
I've never actually made this
All right, that food's very good. Just chilled in the hallways for an hour, and now we are doing some more Stomp preparations back there. This night is really coming together. There's like all the chairs and everything set up. It is really feeling real right now, and I am very excited. So let's get ready to do some stomping. It is now 11 o'clock. This is definitely the not so glamorous part of Shiriyah. I'm exhausted, but there's a lot to prepare for tomorrow, which is the big night. So we're doing a lot of Stomp preparations and just doing it literally like a billion times. I have like, I don't know if you can see over here, but I have like blisters on my hands. It's a lot, but it's gonna be great. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It is now Thursday morning. It is the finale day of Shiriyah. I'm so excited. So I just released a video. I have a whole setup going on. Just released a video, which I guess was a week ago for you guys when you're watching this in the future. And had a lot of fun with that. I'm doing that now so that later I am full on Shiriyah mode. And I'm so excited. There's literally gonna be like 3,000 people watching. All right, get ready for a really fun day. What you're watching right now is another big part of Shiriyah. It's not something I'm involved in, but each grade transforms a hallway into this huge just art piece. So this is the senior hallway you're seeing right now. And then right over here is the junior hallway. And I don't really do this, but I do help out a little bit with some people. But it's actually incredible that they turn these hallways into art. Also, shout out to artists from each grade that made these insane paintings. I literally don't understand how they do them in like 6 days. Okay, so I'm right now with the 2 generals of our team over here, Racheli and John. Are you guys excited for tonight?
Yeah, we are.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna fall.
I'm nervous you guys are gonna fall off the chair.
We get carried in on chairs. So I'm gonna say that. I'm just gonna stay sitting.
You should stand.
I'm probably gonna stand.
I'm gonna fall if I stand.
Okay, fine. So you guys will see this in the vlog later.
You'll see. Do you think we're gonna stand or stay?
What do you guys think?
Well,
I think you should stand. It'll be fun.
My prediction now is that I fall, but probably stick the landing, but we'll see what happens.
Yo, do like a flip off of it.
I'm just gonna stay sitting the whole time.
I think you see that.
Keep it safe.
All right. Those are wise words for the generals. We are very excited about tonight, and yeah. All right, we're very excited.
Thanks, guys. Hi
everyone. All right, so I just found a little quiet hallway because everyone's in the shul. I'm about to go there right now. Okay, by the way, tonight is going to be very crazy, as I mentioned, so I'm going to get as much on camera as I can. Obviously, I'm going to be there to enjoy the moment. I have people in the audience who are going to be filming for me. I have some GoPros that are going to be set up on the floor. I cannot wait for you guys to see this magical night. Like, I'm so excited. I'm also exhausted. Like, literally, I could fall asleep right now. Hey guys, I'm up here right now. I hope you can hear me because there are a lot of people coming in. There are 2,000 to 3,000 people expected to come tonight for Shiriyah. The big night is about to start in about like half an hour. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god, Shiriyah is in the air. If you want to know how high like quality this thing is, this is the sound booth and camera booth. They literally have a camera crane over there and monitors all around so you can see what's going on. This is like the event of the century, but it happens every single year. I'm so excited.
The team that needs no introduction, the Juniors!
just got home from Shiriyah. I am absolutely exhausted. That was so much fun. I hope you guys got a little glimpse of the magic of Shiriyah. And I say the magic of Shiriyah because it is seriously magical. Just the feeling like when you close your eyes and just like everyone's singing and cheering. It was just so amazing. I know this is very different from my usual videos, and to be honest, I really mostly made this for me rather than just for you guys. If this video gets no views, I'm totally fine with that. I just want to have this memory forever because this is my second to last Shiriyah. Next year's the last one. Oh, all right, this was just amazing. I'm so tired. I'm going to go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button down below. Hit that like button if you liked watching this video, and comment down below if your school does any crazy Shiriyah or color war type thing. Whew. All right, I will see you guys on Monday. I need to go to sleep. I'm very tired. Bye.